Okay, so punta lang ng mini-stop. Bibili kami ng ice cream. So, palit ako sa
Bank statement, may secretary certificate. Tapos, ang gusto raw nila, passbook.
Okay, kita.
Kumusta ka naman?
Yeah.
Ayun na nga, may bank
Di ba naman dumplings? Favorite ko ang strawberry chill tea. Multi-venture, cellphone, stuffs. Yeah. Self-service. Yan, yung building na yan. Self-service. Yung pag masakit yung tiyan namin, sakit ulo namin, yan. Or gusto mag-cut, yan. Gusto matulog, self-service. Oh, hot shots. Yummy burger.
Attorney not yet ka naman eh. Grabe, abogado yun ah.
Grabe. Wee! Papunta na kami ng AB building. Yung malaking building na yan. Main building. Yan, teka, natatakpan kasi.
Hindi yan simbahan, okay?
Oo, main building yan. Actually, malayo pa kasi hindi kita may ikot sa buong part ng school. Dapitan, laang part lang kita na ikot. Pero next time, Pinoval, Espanya naman. Anyways, yan, building na accountancy yan. Maybe hamli ka dito tayo dumaan. Yan, accountancy building. Papasok ka dun sa taas.
AKA Paris.
Paris. Okay, so ito yung continuation ng car park, UST bus. Okay, wait lang. Ito yung Lover's Lane. Napakaganda Lover's Lane. Yan. Yung mga puro puno-puno na yan. Diyan nagdidate yung mga GFBF dyan. Saka pag Paskuhan, maganda yung mga lights dyan. Yung puwan sa loob pag pumasok ka yan. Tapos yan, main building. Okay, so painit daw. Bye-bye. Hindi kita na-tour sa Mainfield and Seafad and whatever.
Gusto niyo ng tour? Mainit!
Yeah, it's hot, really. But it's
Ano yan? Godwin?
no, it's not for you. Bye! I ain't.
You are. She's ignoring me.
I ain't. I'm just busy.
No,
taking a
she
video
is. She is ignoring
for you, and we're going to mini stop.
Got it.